Are you ready to generate listings from expireds without ever picking up the phone? If cold calling isn't really your thing and you're looking for an alternative, effective way to generate listings, this video is for you. I'm going to walk you through a complete system to work expired listings with zero cold calling, using a no rejection, no script, no pressure strategy that actually gets results as it has for many. Let's start with building your list. You've got two great options. Option one is your title company. Ask your rep for expired listings from 6 to 18 months ago, including owner names, mailing addresses, ideally email and phone numbers, along with property details. Make sure to double-check the MLS to confirm they haven't relisted. This can be done automatically when you use a third party for your lead source and can save you a lot of time. Option two is using a lead service. I like Redx, and this is the method I recommend. Redx gives you daily updated expired listings, and they've already removed relists and solds. This service streamlines the process. You can filter by price, zip code, and time off the market. You get exportable lists with names, addresses, and property info, perfect for mailers and follow-up. And no dialer is needed unless you choose to scale later. Now here's an advanced tip most agents skip. That is to go after older expireds. Most agents chase the freshest leads, but the gold is in the listings that expired 6 to 24 months ago. These homeowners are often less overwhelmed by other agents, more realistic about their price, and still open to selling, especially with the right plan. Now let's talk about your first impression. This is where you lead with value. You have 3 powerful outreach options, and you can stack them together for even more impact. Option 1, a handwritten letter in a colored envelope. Use blue ink, a live stamp, and handwrite their name and address. Keep the message simple and personal. It may sound like this. Hi, John. I noticed your home was previously listed but didn't sell. I imagine that was frustrating. The truth is, many great homes don't sell the first time, and often not for the reasons you'd expect. I specialize in helping sellers relaunch their listings with a better plan, better marketing, and better results. If you'd like a no-pressure update on value or just want clarity on what happened, I'm happy to help. Signed by you. Option 2, a postcard. On the front, it might say, "Your home didn't sell," but that doesn't mean it won't. And on the back, most expired listings fail because the approach wasn't right. I help homeowners relaunch successfully with a smarter plan. Curious what went wrong and how we do things differently? Let's talk. Option 3, a door hanger. The front side may read, "Still wondering why your home didn't sell." And the back side, "Even the best homes don't always sell the first time." I specialize in helping sellers relaunch with the right strategy and fresh momentum. No pressure, just helpful options when the time feels right. Now you can do one of these, or all 3. Just keep it consistent, personal, and professional. It really can be that easy, but consistency is key. Now let's walk through the follow-up, where no phone calls are required. Here's a simple 4-week sequence that works. Week 1, send your handwritten letter or leave your door hanger. You may consider door knocking if you are leaving a door hanger. Week 2, drop your postcard, ideally one with a just sold story or a free CMA or competitive market analysis offer. Week 3, send a short follow-up text. Week 4, drop off or email a market update or seller guide, whatever it is, remember, provide value. You're layering your touches in a calm, steady, professional way. It builds trust, visibility, and seller confidence. Here's exactly what to say when following up by text. Hi, John the homeowner. This is Larry the agent. I just dropped off a quick note about your home. I specialize in helping homeowners who didn't sell the first time around. If you're still curious about what went wrong or want an updated value, I'm happy to help. Or by email, the subject line may read, "Your home didn't sell. Want to know why?" Hi, Mike the homeowner. I sent you a quick note recently and wanted to follow up. Many expired listings don't sell because the strategy wasn't quite right. I'd be happy to provide a free market update and walk you through what I do differently to help it succeed. Just reply or text me. No pressure, just helpful options. Signed by you. Now, if you're up for it, you can also knock on the door, but without any pressure. Here's what to say. Hi, I'm Larry the agent. I help homeowners whose listings didn't sell the first time. I'm just dropping this off. No pressure at all. If you're ever curious what went wrong or want a second opinion, I'd be glad to help. And if they invite you in, say, "Thanks so much for your time. I really appreciate it. My goal is to help you understand what didn't work last time and show you what we could do differently. I brought a quick market update and a few proven strategies that have worked well for other sellers in your position. This can be your pre-listing packet or seller presentation that differentiate you, your USPs or unique selling propositions. If you want some direction or help in this area, reach out to me directly. My contact info is below. Now back with the property owner. Would you mind if I ask a few quick questions? What kind of feedback did you receive when it was listed? Did you feel it got enough traffic or exposure? Did you have any offers or close calls? Are you still open to selling if the right plan was in place? Then close softly. It's totally your call, but if you want to take another look at it, I'd love to help. If no one is home or if you connect with homeowner as a result of knocking on the door, remember to leave behind a printed CMA, your PLP, or pre-listing packet or seller guide. Remember, something of value and that ideally differentiates you. So what happens if they respond to your letter, postcard, or door hanger? Here's your go-to transition. Thanks for reaching out. I appreciate you taking a moment. Sounds like the last experience may have been a little frustrating, totally understandable. My approach is different. Before jumping into anything, I always start with a quick conversation to understand why it didn't sell. What are your goals now, and whether it even makes sense to try again? Then ask, why did you originally decide to sell? What do you think got in the way? Has anything changed since it came off the market? Are you still open to selling if we can create a better plan? And finish with, I'd be happy to stop by or hop on Zoom and give you some honest feedback. Whether we work together or not, that is totally up to you. Now, don't forget to track your activity. Keep a simple tracker with these items. Name, address, what you sent, when you sent it, whether they responded, and any notes from your follow-up. Most expireds don't list again immediately, so staying organized and staying visible pays off. Here are a few final strategies to make this system even stronger. Stack your touches. Letters, postcards, texts, and door hangers build local visibility. Always offer value, like a CMA, market update, or seller guide. Use curiosity. Ask me how we sold it after 2 other agents couldn't. Be the second opinion agent, the one who brings solutions, not pressure. Use local and social proof whenever possible. Micro-target by subdivision, price point, or home style. And always include a clear next step, like text for options or reply to learn more. The truth is, most expired listings don't need a hard sell. They just need a better plan and a professional who shows up consistently. Be that agent. Give sellers value. Give them clarity. And give them a reason to respond without ever having to cold call. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and stick around for more content just like this. Check the description below for related videos, resources, and options, including how to work expireds using more traditional methods like calling, lead services, and dialers. You've got choices, and I'll help you find the path that fits you best.